Hello everyone, my name is Sakayla, and today I am going to be doing 2 low braided ponytails or pigtails, or however you want to call it. So first I'm going to give you an example of exactly what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you everything that I will be using in this video. So first, I'm going to try to lay my hair down with this. Rubber bands. First thing I'm going to be doing is trying to get my braids straight. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please and subscribe. Now I am about to put the ponytails in, so lay my hair down flat. So. I've been for 2 days thinking what I did to keep you going. I'ma do the first ones that you left me, tell everyone I went wrong. I done made them stop me when I think I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. Said you never took me no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you said I'm right, and I can't even love you. Sweaty, say how you stay.
Gotta start, girl, why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just 'cause you got all.
I got the base. Though on my forehead, it's pretty big, but I'm still cute. I got the base. Now I'm going to show you how to put in this one, because there's no point of me showing you twice when it can rewind. So. Taking the rubber band off. This is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more hair this time. But yeah, it's the hair. So what you're gonna do is I don't have nobody here to help me, so I'm just gonna put it over this, and then you're going to take the rubber band part and just keep twisting it. Put it in there like so. The rubber band for one at the top. You're gonna make sure all the hair you put in is over your real hair. Okay. You're gonna divide. I'm gonna divide my hair first. Divide here. Divide this hair. Here. Then separate this here. Separate piece out. Then you can wrap it around your head and put it behind your ear.
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking loud, dark room, perfume.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gonna say shit. And I know you can taste this a little bit. But high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems.
I'm back. I did a little bit of and then now I'm about to try to use this for the first time. And yeah, I'm just gonna.
Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you touch this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bit range. I heard that. She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach you with that Atari. Nigga that they get game on. Sorry, they say conversation. Rule the nation, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. 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 You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you don't what you want. Oh, what justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you don't what you want. Oh, what justice, put it in the song, alright.
If you liked the video, thank you for watching and subscribe.